fashion photography, which I feel comes out of ethnographic photography, which is sort of wraps back into it again and again, and they sort of have this vicious romance, the two things. The photography of the exotic is very much the photography of the erotic, and I've always loved and despised that relationship, but I use it, you know, ferociously in my work.
In the beginning, I thought I had as much chance as any other person in achieving the best work and being celebrated for it. At some point, I realized the cards were stacked quite against me.
I am supposed to be Japanese, and I was going to go back to Japan. So symbols like Mount Fuji, as you can see here, was not something that really existed, but something that was in our mind as where it was supposed to be home.
Like, it's not like I'm dancing around the studio like, we'll have a pinch of race, and we'll have like, we'll throw some gay in there, and we'll have some gender theory, and I think it makes the most sense not to talk about those things as ingredients, but to talk about them as lenses.